Grow your business with affiliate. Okay, so grow your business with affiliate. Here basically checklist to help you know whether you are ready to sell on Clickbank. You have digital or physical product, course or direct response offer that converts well. If so, you have done the hard part. You just need a place to find, track, pay, and manage affiliate from. This is where Clickbank outshined all other platforms and will drastically reduce your overhead. You are looking for relief from rising advertising cost, media for media price are skyrocketing. Discover a new customer requisition stream that doesn't cost you anything until you make a sale. Affiliate marketing is purely platform performance driven. Once you are set up on Clickbank, so you are only playing to record the customer offers. The sale is made. Your business is required to handle increase in traffic and sale. Before you turn on the facts with affiliate, make sure you can handle and fulfill the new sale. Education and support for your business. After you list your product on Clickbank, that's just the beginning. Thrown into our affiliate podcast, YouTube channel, and quality marketing. So thank you everyone.